back to my YouTube channel, Cooking Time with Daniela. I will be making a steady rice today. So this is beef. We have a sliced beef, 3 cups. I will put the measurement of every other thing.
Sometimes I just cook food, but it depends on what you like.
This is what I'm adding water to cornstarch. And don't miss in the cornstarch, you just add it. Yeah. This is liquid seasoning, just add a little bit. So this is what I will use for all. Mix it round. If you want to let mix yours overnight, you can do that. If you want to wait for like extra hours, you can do that. But this time I'm not waiting for a long time. I will just be frying them immediately. We have 1 cup of oil. I'm using some leaves, small ones remaining. Maybe if we need clean oil later. So I will add the first one now. Keep stirring till they are ready.
Sometimes I just cook food, but it depends on what you like.
Just put off the stove and then just remove the beef and we'll stir fry another one. So I remove the beef and I'm just using another pan to fry the mushroom. So I will use that same pan to complete the cooking later. The mushroom is ready. Now take them out now. To do broccoli. After the mushroom, no oil remains, so I'll just use the little one remaining for the 1 cup to do this. I'll give like 2 minutes to be ready. So we're done frying everything and I want to start joining them together now. I will add the beef first. The beef is the strongest one inside. So it already cooked and you can see it is brown now. So I'll add the mushroom. With the juice, you don't have to take the juice out. Then add the broccoli. I will add the rice. Okay. I might add more rice to it there. I just want to turn it to see if we have a space for it. Yeah, I have a space. I'll just add that. See, I'll show you the measurement I use. Just add them there. We use 3 cups of beef after slicing before measuring. So we use 1.5 broccoli. The mushroom thing was 200 grams also. Yeah. I'm adding more rice. Yeah. Remember, you can eat the rice today and tomorrow. Depends on your time. You're not supposed to stay long time. Not like fried rice or jollof rice that can stay long time. So at least you do what you can eat. So I don't know the measurement of the rice I use, but I believe you just take what you need. Yeah, so this is what I use. Let me just say 1.5 on this big bowl. Yeah. So at this point, I off the stove so it will not be too hot. I will be adding this 1 cup of oyster oil. I won't use all the 1 cup. See why I'm not using any salt. Remember the only little salt I used to seasoning the beef. That's what I will be using, because all these things I'm adding, they all have salt. I'm adding a cookie wine, hot pepper. This is liquid seasoning. You can use the powder one, but I want to use liquid one because it's dark. Okay, I'm just doing it small because I don't want the rice to be spilling. So I'll be adding a soy sauce. It's half cup. As I said earlier, all the ingredients we use have a lot of taste on them, so you don't need too much of salt or sweetener for them. They don't really have to be sweet anyway. It just had to be like a normal taste, not like something that's sweet. Okay, so I still need some of this. So I'm finishing the 1 cup that I mentioned. Yeah. This is the salt remaining for half a teaspoon. I will not add it because I just tasted with everything I add. It's just beautifully okay. I don't have to add that salt to it. If not, the salt will be too much. 2 minutes now, we'll take the rice out from the fire. Thank you for staying with us, and God bless you. As you keep watching us, please subscribe for us and help us share, like, and comment. So this is how the rice look like. Yeah, the taste is very good. Please let me know if you tried it. Have a very lovely, beautiful day. Thank you. Bye guys. Bye.
But it depends on what you like. I'm super, and the journey goes well to go inside. Get a fish and